Hi guys, welcome back to my channel English in a Blink, and today we're going to talk about tenses. Well, you might be thinking what is left, for me to talk about tenses, probably because I've looked at pretty much all the tenses. So today, actually something happened in my class. One of my students, he asked me a question like, when you want to talk about your future plans and arrangement, which tense do you usually use? Is it present continuous or is it future continuous? All right, so which one can you use? Which is the correct option? How do you use them? So when I was talking to him, when I was explaining him the concept of, when and how to use it, I thought, why not share it with you guys? Maybe there are a few there who are, who often confused with that as well. So here I am talking about present continuous and future continuous. All right, so there we go. So guys, first thing first, how do you form your present continuous first? So you need your subject, verb to be, and ing. Yes, so that is your present continuous. And how about future continuous? Will, be, and ing. Okay, so you need your subject, then you need your will, then be, and then ing. That's how you form your future continuous. All right. Now let's see. Let's say, which one do you think is the right one? I am meeting Rose tonight, or I will be meeting Rose tonight. Well, sometimes both the options are right, all right? But when you're talking about arrangements, okay, when you're talking about fixed arrangements, then we tend to use our present continuous, okay? And I will tell you with examples the difference. When can we use our future continuous and when do we use our present continuous? So let's say Rose is your friend, okay? You called Rose because, both of you, it has been long, you didn't see her, so you called her. Hi, how are you doing? And you want to see her, so you say, oh, what are you doing tonight? And she's like, oh, nothing. Oh, let's catch up. Okay, so both of you decide that you will see each other tonight at 8 for dinner. So this is like a fixed arrangement. Both of you have arranged this meeting and, you've called, everything is fixed. So then you can say, I am meeting Rose tonight at 8 for dinner. Okay, so in this case, when something is about future arrangement, which is like a fixed arrangement, it's like a meeting, use your present continuous. All right. Let's say both of you have a friend named Mark. And today is Mark's birthday, okay? And he's invited you and Rose, both of you, okay, for tonight's party. So now in that case, you can say, I will be seeing Rose tonight in Mark's party. Now, how is it different, people? Understand. Now, both of you haven't decided, all right? This is not like a fixed arrangement, but you will be meeting her anyways, all right? Even though you haven't arranged this meeting, but since, both of you are going in the same party, so you will be seeing each other, okay? So that's when you use your future continuous, when you're going to be, meeting someone, but it is not fixed, but you will meet them anyhow, because you both are going to be at the same place at the same time. All right, that's when you use your future continuous. All right, so I will be meeting Rose tonight in Mark's party. Okay, so that's when you use your future continuous. Not decided, but meet anyways. All right, let's see another scenario. All right, so Mark, you and Rose, you work in the same office. Okay, and Rose tells you tomorrow, I'm not feeling well, I won't be going tomorrow, but I have to give this to Mark. So you'll be like, oh, I will be meeting him, so I can give that to him. Now again, understand, both of all three of you are working in the same office. Now this meeting, that with Mark, it's not arranged, but since you are in the same office, you will be seeing him anyways. Okay, so that's why you said, oh, I will be meeting him, so I will give him whatever she wants to, maybe this envelope. Okay, so I will be meeting him and I will give that to him. Okay, so then again, when you are talking about something in the future, when you will get to see someone, you will be meeting someone, but you haven't fixed that arrangement, you haven't made that arrangement, but you will meet somebody anyhow, future continuous. But if you have like a fixed arrangement, you've called someone, everything is fixed. Let's say you have a date tonight. So then I am meeting so-and-so person at 8, 9, whatever time you're meeting. Okay, so I hope I've made, this future continuous and present continuous, we're talking about future arrangement, clear for you. So the next time, you have a date, you know which tense to use, present continuous. And if you're going to a party and then you will accidentally or, meet somebody, future continuous. Okay, so if you found this video informative, what do you have to do? Nothing much. Press the like button, spread the word, share it with your friends, and that's it. Until we meet next time, bye for now.